If you want maximum grip, get Vicious. Not only is Vicious Grip the most coarse and grippy tread available, it sticks where other tapes won't. It is oil and dirt resistant and waterproof. Our new stair tread is easy to apply to any smooth or textured surface like trucks, boats, RVs, stairs, ramps, steps, ladders, and flooring. Vicious can even be applied on top of worn stair grip. Our neighbor has a ramp to their rental house that has 6 suites. A slip on this ramp is hazardous for the tenants and a liability for the landlord. For this ramp, we use 2 rolls of 4-inch by 12-foot black Vicious stair tread. First, we swept the ramp and removed debris. You may need to wash and dry the surface to remove fine dust. Cut to the correct size using the backing paper as a guide. Next, we planned out how we would apply the Vicious using the backing paper as a convenient ruler for quick, easy application. We marked with a pencil where we would place each corner. We place one corner of the tape and peel half of the backing paper away without applying it. We then guide the tape to the other corner to ensure that it's applied straight. We can now stick more of the tape to the ground. With one half in place, we can remove the backing paper from the other half of the stair tread and apply it fully. With the stair tread in place, it's best to apply pressure to the Griptape to activate the pressure-sensitive adhesive and ensure a strong bond to the ramp. Either walk across the surface or, using the backing paper to avoid cutting yourself, apply pressure by hand. To finish the project, we repeated this process until all the pieces were in place. And then, you're done!